Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta, for coming to National IVF Award, Summit and Awards 2024, hosted by Voice of Healthcare and Indian Fertility Society. Thank you so much for joining us. Ma'am, what are your views about today's event?
I remember last time I have attended on precision medicine, and this is yet another a very innovative concept. I know that IVF, conclaves keep happening, but even looking into what is the accessibility of IVF or the affordability of IVF, or looking into what are the insurance policies, or even creating an awareness that such things need to be done more and more when it comes to IVF in India. So I think it's a very very great idea to have the national IVF conclave from VOH.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, what are your thoughts about today's agenda, which is set for the panel discussions and every kind of presentation which is set for today?
So I would say that it's that the thought process is beyond academics, because see, academics is for doctors, and when it comes to the other aspect, like what is the affordability of an IVF, how can the patient access these IVF cycles or centers, what is the need of like insurance policies, what is the legality when we are looking at. So we have a lot of people who would be joining, and very seniors, and I think we're looking at great discussion through the day.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us for this event, and it's a pleasure to have you with us.
Likewise, thank you.
Thank you.